Okay, hi everybody, I'm back. So today I'm gonna show you how to make a bow with hair ties, okay? So let me just do some magic. Whoosh! Ta-da! Do hair ties. So first you do that. You saw that? And then you go. Okay? Second method. There we go. Okay, so that method is done. We have two other methods. And one last method.